Well, members of parliament clashed this afternoon over the ongoing doctor strike, with a section of the legislators warning that the industrial action could snowball into a major crisis. The MPs who resumed sittings today after a short recess regretted that while the government is talking tough against the doctors, little is being done to address the outstanding issues that they have. That is, as Minority Leader Opiyo Wandayi claimed, the government is yet to show goodwill in handling the strike, which entered day 27 today. Wandayi is warning that concerned citizens could soon hit the streets in solidarity with the striking doctors.
We are dealing with supplies. We have problems in Kemsa, you have heard them. We are dealing with financing. You know we are having problems there. Mr. Speaker, the word intern for doctors is international. It is not just here.
This issue of doctors, the manner we are treating it, it is likely not to go away. So I think this House, more than any other institution, has got a cardinal duty. There's no idle threat. Other Kenyans are actually planning now to join the doctors on the streets.
So we have rescheduled the meeting to Tuesday next week so that we can get the briefings from both the Ministry of Health, the National Treasury, and also the SRC, and together with the Ministry of Education, to confirm to us the progress that they have made in fulfillment of part of the petition.
And what our doctors are being told, yes, it is possible to pay 206,000 shillings to intern doctors, but take up less interns than those who are graduating. So it's foolhardy for us to speak to the gallery to excite doctors at the gates of Parliament. But it's another thing when we come to budgeting, to budget and make sure that you have adequate resources. But those resources do not come from the moon. They come from taxes raised from Kenyans, which, again, the same people who are pontificating about how well we should treat our doctors are the same people who are at the forefront of opposing the finance bill.
Tomorrow night, you may join